Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Crypto. And today, we are going to be discussing Polygon. I am going to show you what the project is all about, how to buy MATIC, some of the best wallets to use, and more. Remember to hit that subscribe notification button to get notified when we cover our next whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Polygon, formerly known as the MATIC Network, was developed to compensate for the lack of protocols and scalability available for connecting blockchains to the Ethereum ecosystem. Previously, there was no framework provided for building or integrating blockchains with Ethereum, which resulted in many challenges for developers. As a result, developers created Polygon for developers so that Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks could be connected seamlessly in order to create a multi-chain ecosystem with improved scalability solutions. Polygon also addresses the most common issues such as high gas fees, weak security, and low performance faced by many blockchains. In contrast to Polkadot, Cosmos, and Avalanche, which all serve a similar function to Polygon, this multi-chain open-source ecosystem is fully integratable with Ethereum and its network benefits. It has implemented highly increased security measures, and its performance and speed is superior to other protocols. Polygon aims to help Ethereum expand in size, security, efficiency, and usefulness by operating as an add-on network layer for Ethereum, and hopes to encourage developers to get more involved with transforming the ecosystem. So who created Polygon? Polygon was co-founded by a group of 4 individuals who share a vision of providing a new generation of scaling solutions that are compatible with the Ethereum blockchain. Polygon is built by a decentralized team of contributors from all over the world. They don't believe in traditional companies, hierarchy, and management. Therefore, anyone is welcome to contribute code, ideas, or anything else that can help make their vision a reality. Polygon combines the best of Ethereum and sovereign blockchains into an attractive feature set built by developers for developers. MATIC is an ERC20 token that is used to power Polygon, the gateway to a multi-chain Ethereum. The MATIC token serves dual purposes. One is to secure the network via staking and be used for the payment of transaction fees, and the other is that the token is used to pay fees for transactions taking place on over 400 dApps running on Polygon. Validators and delegators secure the network by staking their MATIC in the staking contracts, which are used to achieve consensus and ensure the security of the network. MATIC is available on many of the leading centralized and decentralized exchanges around the world. You can find a list of some of the platforms where you can acquire MATIC on their website. Some of these exchanges include QuickSwap, Uniswap, Bitfinex, Coinbase, Binance, Huobi, and more. Crypto wallets let you buy crypto with a debit or credit card, bank transfer, or some applications. The wallet stores information about your public and private keys, which amount to your ownership stake of the crypto. Using these keys allows you to securely send or receive cryptocurrency while keeping your private key encrypted at all times. Some of the best wallets that you can use include the MetaMask wallet, which is an Ethereum wallet and browser extension that can be used on Chrome, Brave, Edge, and Firefox. It enables users to store Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. MetaMask also allows users to interact with decentralized applications. Wallet Connect is a convenient open-source tool that enables a mobile wallet to easily connect to decentralized web applications and interact with them straight from your phone. It is a more secure way to use dApps than desktop or browser-based wallets. Wallet Connect gives you a one-tap access to the vast majority of DeFi platforms and web dApps. The Coinbase wallet is a software product that gives you access to a wide spectrum of decentralized innovation. You can buy and store ERC20 tokens, participate in airdrops and ICOs, collect rare digital art and other collectibles, browse decentralized apps, shop at stores that accept cryptocurrency, and send crypto to anyone, anywhere around the world. So what do we like about Polygon? Polygon is a multi-level platform with the aim to scale Ethereum thanks to a plethora of sidechains, all of which aims to unclog with the main platform in an effective and cost-efficient manner. In case you're unfamiliar, sidechains are unique blockchains that are bound to the main Ethereum blockchain and are effective in supporting many decentralized finance protocols available in Ethereum. As such, Polygon can be compared to other competing networks such as Polkadot, Cosmos, and Avalanche. At the core of the network is the Polygon Software Development Kit, or SDK, used to build Ethereum-compatible decentralized applications as sidechains and connect them to its main blockchain. Polygon's main chain is a proof-of-stake sidechain in which network participants can stake MATIC tokens to validate transactions and vote on network upgrades. With Polygon, any project can easily spin up a dedicated blockchain network, which combines the best features of standalone blockchains. Features like sovereignty, scalability, flexibility, security, interoperability, and developer experience. Additionally, these blockchains are compatible with all the existing Ethereum tools such as MetaMask, MyCrypto, Remix, and more, and can exchange messages among themselves and with Ethereum. Polygon technology is materialized through two major components, the Polygon framework and Polygon protocol. At the center of Polygon's vision is Ethereum, a platform that is home to a range of decentralized applications. Ones where you can join virtual worlds, play games, buy art, and participate in a range of financial services. However, this much activity on its blockchain has rendered Ethereum almost unusable, as the cost of transmission is rising and traffic is becoming clogged. Enter Polygon. In a nutshell, Polygon bills itself as a Layer 2 network, meaning it acts as an add-on layer to Ethereum that does not seek to change the original blockchain layer. Like its geometric namesake, Polygon has many sides, shapes, and uses, and promises a simpler framework for building interconnected networks. After the rebranding, Polygon retained its MATIC cryptocurrency. The digital coin underpinning the network, MATIC is used as the unit of payment and settlement between participants who interact within the network. If you are interested and would like to learn more or get involved in the project, be sure to follow the links in the description. And that is our overview of Polygon. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.